What's going on, everybody? This is Junior from King's Brakes. I'm just gonna show you something real quick. Didn't see too many videos on it, but basically I installed the Dakota Digital on this El Camino. Today I'm showing you guys how to install the dim switch for the Dakota Dash for the VHX. As you can see, I just removed the glove box. I stored this computer essentially for the cluster back here. So it's pretty simple. All you're gonna do is wire it to the adjuster and adjust send, and then the dim positive goes to the brake lights. So I'll show you guys how to do all that right now. All right, everybody, sorry I got a little mess, but as you can see, basically on the dim plus, I got my extra cable. I got the switch just rough wired just to make sure everything works. If you guys have the switch on this, then you guys basically just put both in the just negative. Yeah, so basically that's everything right there. I'm gonna keep it super simple for y'all because I know long videos are boring. Basically, you have the dim switch. It goes to the, sorry, it's not focusing, the adjust and adjust send. You can see the black and the white. Now on mine, I have the switch to adjust the dash. So that's where you see these three wires. So both of these two share the adjustment negative. Come over here, sorry for the mess. I have my external wire that I'm gonna run into the tail light harness essentially, and I'll go to the other side and show you. All right, everyone. So instead of just cutting into this line right here on the brown, you know, somebody already had put like a tap, maybe for an external switch. I honestly have no idea why this would be there, but I essentially just ran it to the tap. I honestly might take this off because it's not a 12-volt applicable cable and stuff. I don't want to accidentally fry or anything like that, but I just connected this. All right, everyone, as you can see, I removed the old X-less wire. I soldered the wires together. I'm gonna push it up, hook it up, get everything back together. Got the battery reconnected, so you guys can see. As soon as I go ahead and turn on the lights, bam, everything comes on, so good to go. All right, everybody, so it's nice and tucked up away. As you can see, I just gotta hide one of those excess cables that were just there when we started the job. It's coming along. All right, everybody, as you guys can see, cleaned up. I just gotta move this and put it into the plastic.
All right, good morning, y'all. How you guys doing today? We got Victor finishing up the job. What happened?
What's going on, everybody? Right now, I just finished doing the dim one switch on the Dakota Dash, as you guys can see. I open the switch, turn on the lights, boom, it's right there, and then I got the adjustment right here at the bottom. Go ahead and turn it off, turn it on. Now, the only thing I will say, as far as the Dakota Dash dim one switch, it's super easy to install. The biggest problem I'll say with it is the way that they make the switch. They solder both the pins on top, and there's literally no support. You barely move it to mount it on the plastic and the damn thing will break, so.
All right, this car is finally done. Victor got all the wiring and the lights all settled. So this is what the final product looks like. Boom, look at that. Looks very nice. Did a very good job on it. And then right here is your switch to dim it, to make it brighter or not. But yeah, she's done. She's ready for the streets.